Vantyge takes a range of inputs combined with an in-depth bio and writing analysis of team members passed in to flagship AI models to create remarkably well-written social media posts. The aim is to draw on content that team members simply don't have the time to research that is relevant to them and the company, and to produce posts which feel and read like they are written by each team member. So to really understand how we take custom topics, news articles, specific web page, customer pain points, or company content and transform them into social media posts, we actually need to start with a team member. Just ignore these buttons. This is the dev version of the app and I use it for testing, but we've got a table here of our team members. And if I want to go in and edit a team member, I can click through. And if you are an admin user, you get access to everything you're seeing here. If you're just a regular team member, you only get the ability to update your own profile. So we can see that I've got a bit of my bio in here, including my interests, the ability to connect to my own LinkedIn profile, and some writing examples. We take written examples, run them through our own custom prompt that we've innovated to determine the distinct characteristics and writing style to effectively become an AI ghostwriter for each team member. So this is part of the content that goes into creating the output. If I go on back to generate for this demo, let's have a look at retrieving recent news articles. I'll click through to me. And so the search terms suggested here are based on my bio, which we saw a moment ago. So I'm going to select one of these, and now I am getting the Vantyge app to actually scan for recent news articles or blog posts on this topic. And I can see my results here. And I can pick any one of these to be an inspiration for my post. So I'll pick that top one. Let's go for 260 words, but I can also say, let's include emojis. And also then whether company data such as background about my place of work, whether that should be fed into the prompt. Now I'm going to generate with AI. And I should emphasize here, we have chosen to focus on writing quality. And that means that we are not skimping on the models. We're using expensive, but also slow, but then because of that, intelligent models. So although a lot of similar apps that kind of do part of the process here, they may spit out a social media post within a matter of seconds. The fact is that we've got a lot of thinking, a lot of reasoning going on in order to try and hit the real peak of quality. So here's my post. We can see that emojis are included. That from a optimization point on LinkedIn, you don't want to be putting links in the body of the main post. You put them in the comment section. You'll see that's what all the big brands do, and they have a good reason for it. And we can put that link in the comment section too. Let's take a quick peek what goes into creating this. So we get a breakdown of all of the thinking that took place that went into writing what I hope you'll agree is a high quality post. I can make changes with AI, or of course I could just write directly in this box. I can also do an AI generated image search as well as uploading an image from my device. So let's go ahead. This is taking the content of the post, working out what the most suitable search term for an image is, and then searching that through a copyright free library. And I get a few choices, interesting range, probably leave it as that. I can either publish straight to LinkedIn, I can schedule a date and time in advance, or I can save it as a draft. So let's save as a draft for now. What you've seen there is how one individual can go through and generate posts for either themselves or other connected team members. But what if this could happen in your sleep? Well, it can. If I go back to my team, you may have noticed at the start, we've got running here under autopilot. And right now, we've got it running in Copilot, which is that effectively it will create drafts every 24 hours. So that is the Vantyge app going out, finding relevant news for each team member and writing social media posts for that team member. If I go back to my drafts here, we'll see that there's the one that I created, but then there are other ones which were basically created overnight. Vantyge doesn't just publish to personal LinkedIn profiles, we can publish to company pages. Within the Vantyge app, your company effectively acts as another employee with their own bio that is created here, the ability to fetch articles in from a company blog, and basically an internal knowledge base just to dump company background. So by way of wrapping up, you can generate social media posts based on a topic, on recent news, a specific link, which we go out and scrape, customer pain points that come from the company profile or company data, such as posts coming from your company's blog. And then that can be posted directly to LinkedIn, personal pages, and company pages. We also have a blog, which has got a slightly tweaked prompt. At the moment, a blog post can be copied and pasted from Vantyge to your CMS, but there is the potential for us to add in the future the ability to post directly to popular platforms such as WordPress and Webflow.